Big bear. Big bear duty. Look at all this weird glass on the ground. Why do you think there's all this glass on the ground, Roth? Did you notice this? Why is there so much glass on the ground? What'd you say? Sorry, I'm having trouble getting up here in these hiking flops.
Well, it's probably just cardio.
Really, that many? Wow, they were very good at evenly distributing it. Looks like a mosaic. I think you're right. I absolutely think you're right, but that is pretty cool, isn't it? It's super cool. Look at this lake. Whoa. Okay, the flip-flop failed me for a second. This place rocks. Oh, Wiley, the squirrel. Did you see that squirrel, Wiley? Did you see it? He's like, yeah, Mom, did you see that squirrel? Wow, Mom. Oh, my gosh, it's not squirrels, it's a chipmunk. Chipmunks. We like to make sure Wiley gets diversity in his hunting. Whoa! Whoa! Wow! Those are beautiful. Whoa! Look at that.
They made a mosaic out of it.
What?
How beautiful that must have looked when it was original.
Wow!
And the fireplace is there. Oh, this was a nice house at one time.
Wow! Wiley says it's a nice house right now. It's a house of
probably a cellar
house
right
of
down-
squirrels.
Probably a cellar down there originally. It's all closed in and filled up now. You know what I mean? Roof debris.
Truly. Let's look at what their front door view was. Look at this. Look at these awesome wooden and basic wrought iron windows. It's okay. We like to take the hard route. That's what we do. Look at that. That's wild, right?
It's just like the old ancient buildings, these big ass stone stacked, really intricately.
Look at this beautiful,
Incredible.
beautiful stone. The rocks will cry out, and they will testify that you are God, Lord. They could put their A-U-M symbols all over it, but it won't change the facts that these rocks will cry out. They will. Look at that. It's so amazing. Oh, we totally live here. Minus the traffic noises. This is perfect because there was no traffic when this was built. All you'd hear is an occasional clip-clop of some horsey foots. Just blown away by this. It's just absolutely... And most of all, whoever put this together literally, selected each rock carefully, and they all have a memory, and then some idiot's gonna freaking tag it. How respectful. I don't see anybody drawing Christianity rocks on here. No, I see some other religious symbols. How disrespectful. It's just disrespectful. I don't care about your gang tags. Come on. Nobody wants to know your name. This is a piece of history you just ruined. Look at this. This looks like it was Rolf, look at this. It looks like a plow that they made this oven out of. Look at this. And what is this up here? Look at this. What is this?
So the flume that used to be probably.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Look at how it's shaped. Maybe it was a bumper of a car. I don't know. What was that?
I don't know. It's hard to say, but it could be a bumper of a car. I don't know.
Very, very interesting.
Yeah. Really cool, huh?
It's obviously had a recent fire up here. That's not an antique fire. Could have been last night. Look at these taggers. I'm going to climb down in this hole and I'm going to tag it because I'm addicted to tagging everything with my stupid name. Does that say, I don't want to say it, but it says something that I don't want to say. Looks like it says it.
No,
It says, this is my only literacy skill. Cause I'm proud to be an American. Cause at least I know I can tag.